Hi everybody, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply auto border on your cells in Excel. So for this, first we will open the Excel. Let's say we have to fill out the data under these columns. Apply the auto border rule. What you have to do, first we have to select the all, then click on conditional formatting, then click on new rule. Here, select a rule type, select use a formula to determine which cell to format. Click on it, and here if you type is equal to, and then select the targeted cell, and here what we will do, we will remove the dollar, and then we will click on format. Then from the format we will tap on border, and from here we will select the outline. We will just simply click OK, and again if we click OK, now whenever I write something, it draws the border automatically. So this way you can easily apply this rule on your Excel sheet. So that's it for today's short tutorial. See you in the next one.